It's harvest time again. You might remember my orange bin. It's seen better days, but I'm going to try to get one more year out of it. It's been raining off and on for the past couple of days, and because of it, I have not been able to harvest these or to see what I have. And now, well, today is the day, and it looks like we have potatoes. These are, I believe, just straight up white potatoes. I'm going to get in here and use my hands in a minute because I don't want to bruise these potatoes, and I definitely don't want to mess them up. So it's a little damp, and I think I've gotten down close enough to use my hands. Just going to do a little bit more here and see what we have. All right, I'm going to get in here. Let's go. Let's see. Here's one. I probably should have just yanked these out from the top because the Frugal nephew and the Frugal son have made an appearance. They dumped this for me, and here we go. This is the first plant. Shake this, put this to the side. There's quite a few plants in this container, so let's see what, oh, all right. Here's another nice one. And one more. I think that's it for here. There's a couple of small ones here. I'll probably replant those. So let's go for number 3. This is not bad. Kind of small. This will get replanted. I'm going to use this bin because I'm growing eggplant, and I need some place to put my starters. They're not even starters anymore. They're actual straight up eggplant that's growing. Okay. Here's another potato. And another one. This is not bad. So anyway, I'm going to put my this one's not so good. I'm going to put probably 2 of my eggplants in this bin here once I finish this. And here's another one. There's going to probably be a couple stragglers, a couple of ones that I don't see. This is soft, so it's probably the one that I used originally to plant with. We're getting closer to the end. I think there's one more to go. Trying to get this done as fast as possible. I have a lot going on in the garden today because the rain set me back. Now that the rain has stopped, okay. Here's another. This is all from one bin. You know, I want you guys to keep in mind, I could get more potatoes. I could get larger potatoes, but I grew these potatoes with the nutrients or the compost that I made myself. I don't add a lot of chemicals. I don't add much of anything. And that's why I'm the frugal gardener, because I don't spend a lot of money, but I get decent results. Like I said, I could get better results if I added more nutrients, but I choose not to. That's not the way I roll. And here is another potato. Keep in mind, these all came from one bin, from this one orange bin. So I'm pretty satisfied with what I have. This one is soft. Coming down to the end, this is pretty much it. There might be one or two more in here, but for now I'm going to call this good. Well, maybe not. Wow, okay. Let's see. Do one last check. I think this is it for this harvest. I have plenty of more containers and bins that I will be harvesting in the next few weeks, because like I said, I need these containers. This is what I call my second summer. So I've replanted. It is still early July, and I will use these containers to plant my starters. Next time I plant after this is going to be for the fall and winter. So that's it, guys. I think I got a pretty decent haul. This is it for now. I'll clean these up. Maybe have a few for dinner, along with the string beans that I'm going to harvest from the other side of the garden. But for now, this is the Frugal Gardener. Thanks for spending part of your day with me. Please subscribe if you haven't. I have not one, but two new series coming up. And one of them is The Power of Purple. I think you'll be interested in what I am going to share with you on that. The second is The Poor Man's Garden, and show you how you can start your garden with no money. So that's it for today. Remember what I always tell you guys: when you grow your own food, you'll always know where it comes from. Have a good day.